Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you what happened with YouTube short notification, because now this time YouTube not sending YouTube short notification bill to other subscribers. So I will show you what will happen there. So I'm in YouTube studio, so there is my content here. I will check one of my YouTube short videos I uploaded yesterday. For this only I placed 84 only place. So I go to analytics. You can find here right side there is traffic source type. You can see browse features, external, channel page, YouTube search, other YouTube features, and there is no bell notification. I click see more, and there is no also, you can see there is no anything. So I go back. So then I click reach. You can see there is a reach. So you can see here type source, traffic type. So you can see here browse features again, external, channel pages, searches, and other YouTube features. There is other also, and you can see here clearly bell notification. Bell notification now not sent for YouTube short videos. You can see clearly bell notification now not sent for short videos. There is an updated, and some people only know that about this update. So I'll inform you there is no bell notification for short videos. Sri Lankan යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා නම් මේක අහන්න බලනවා නම් YouTube short වලට bell notification යවන්නේ නැහැ කියලා update වෙලා තියෙන්නේ දැන්ටමත්. ඔතන පේන්නේ නැති මෙතන YouTube එකේ තියෙනවා. So everyone, there is no short video notification. So you can do one thing. If you have more than 1000, you can get short video link, and you can make one post. So you can upload your post with your bell notification and your link. So that link will go to your subscriber, and subscriber will come from the link. So it is the type. Otherwise you can do one thing. You just don't direct upload with some time mean some make some schedule after 1 hour, 2 hour, like that. Try, you can find it notification, or otherwise notification will go to after 1 day or 2 days. Notification will download, upload to your subscriber. So that's why there is no sending notification. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.